What's going on, y'all? I'm going to show you how to buy SolNote very quickly, very easily. This coin, I believe, has the potential of going anywhere from $3 to $5, potentially more. Right now, it has about $5 million market cap, 339 holders, and it almost hit $1 this morning, and it's just getting started. So this is how you go ahead and buy it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to Coinbase, whether you download it on your phone or your computer. Make an account if you don't have one already, and you want to buy Solana, right? So however much money you want to put into SolNote, go ahead and buy that amount of Solana, which is the fourth biggest cryptocurrency on Coinbase. You can't miss it, right? When you log in, you create your account. It's the fourth one here, right? Solana, you're going to go ahead and click buy whatever it is that you want as far as investment. And then when you buy it, you're going to need to send it, right? There'll be an option here that says buy, sell, swap, and send. When you click on your Solana, it's going to say send. You're going to go ahead and send it to your Phantom wallet. So what is Phantom wallet? You have to go to phantom.app. You can download it on your phone or from the App Store, or you can download it, which I recommend, to the Google Chrome extension up here, right? Once you do that, you're going to have a wallet here that tells you exactly how much Solana you have or SolNote you have. But in order to get your money here, you need to send the money from Coinbase over to Phantom wallet, okay? And how you do that is you're going to click on Solana, right? And then you're going to click on receive right here, right? You're going to click on receive and your address is going to be there, okay? After you do that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to birdeye.so. And on the top right corner, you're going to see the option here to connect wallet. Once you click that, once you're already logged into your extension, you can just click this and click Phantom and it'll automatically log in. Now you want to click on this little button here. It's going to pop open and say swap, limit, and bridge. So you're going to go to swap, and then you want to make sure that the top one is Sol. So you go ahead and click Sol, wrap Sol. It's going to show you if you put $500 or $1,000, it's going to show you that that's how much you have here, right? It's going to show you that you have 7 Solana coins, each worth $200 or whatever the case is. So once you do that, you can now swap for Note. So you want to search here, SolNote. And you want to make sure it's the first one that says CGBC and ends with CVK. Okay, click that one. And then you can click 75% and then click swap. It's going to pop open a window, and that window is going to confirm that that's what you want to do. Right? Of course, it's going to tell me I don't have enough right now because I don't have any Solana in there. I've already bought. And then you're going to click confirm. Okay. After you click confirm, you'll now see that your note balance will be the amount that you just purchased with your Solana, okay? And the same thing to sell, you're gonna do the same thing. Come here, swap your note back to Solana, swap it out, and then you can send from your Phantom wallet, you can send your Solana, right, back to your Coinbase, and from here, you can cash out, sell, and put it in your bank account, okay, if you make profit, all right? That's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below or reach out to me directly on Instagram. I'll put it in the description as well. If you need help, feel free to reach out and ask. That's how you go ahead and buy that. As with any other coin on the Solana network, you do the same process, and that's how you get it.